Right, here's some fairly decent paragraph formatting coming on. They ask us to locate a paragraph and then make some changes to it. I've actually highlighted the couple of things here, especially when there's more than one thing in a question, which is not really nice to do it that way, but it does happen from time to time. Always then just highlight exactly what's got to be done. It's so easy to miss the and the and. So just highlight or underline it quickly and say, right, the two things here. There's this. Let's start off with 14.1. 6-point line spacing after the paragraph, line spacing 1.5. So 6-point spacing after the paragraph, line spacing 1.5. Right, this is the text that they want us to look at, and I've highlighted it. I can right click again, and in fact there is a paragraph option there, so we could simply just go there, or otherwise we could have got it at the tabs, the tops. Okay, 6 point after. Right, that looks fairly painless, and the line spacing set at 1.5. That it. Right, very simple. The first part. Let's go back. Indent the paragraph one from the right to the left, to the left, to the right, to the okay, no, 1 centimeter from the right, and a hanging indent of 1 centimeter. Okay, so both one from the right, centimeter from the right, and a hanging indent of 1 centimeter. Right, I'm going to highlight that again, and I'm going to go back and right click on paragraph. From the right they wanted a centimeter, so there we go. Or I could have just typed it in, and then there's a hanging, and they also want that to be by 1 centimeter. And the easiest is just to go and type it in there if you want to, or you could just use the up and down arrow. Okay, what is a hanging indent? Well, let's see what happens with this hanging indent. Okay, the hanging indent is indent that applies to the rest of the paragraph. In other words, the first line stays net various. You stay there, you don't move, but the rest of it, and that's why it's got this hanging indent. In other words, it's almost like a little roof over the rest of the paragraph. Quite cute. And the last bit, justify the text. Well, we've actually had that before, earlier on, and we said we've got left alignment, we've got centering, we've got right alignment, but we've also got justification. Okay, where it tries to line it up against the left and the right hand side as much as it can. Okay, in this case you can see it's lining up against that right indent, and over here obviously that one's still out of line because it is the hanging indent. You can see it adds in little spaces, a few spaces in between, so it gets the sort of smooth effect down the left hand side and down the right hand side. Smooth.